Kuble pi barok ni pedang sngop hai pi chka thup khubar man ta ka janmit shwa ban phai ki khubar ki babnya ni pe chwai ki mat bakong san Kanong rim lam lenti bahak mat e ga India haki kambari ga de ka bha kamya jangkari ong Narendra Modi Palat iwe point khat khandai lak klur tingka pentip ka sarkar pedeng balamang hapo ka PM Awas Yojana yaki project penroi pesor Kenjo ahniu pu ara ka shispa ka jal jivan mission ha Meghalaya Mai ka COVID dan jingmai ga jala ong ka menteri ga kanat ko ka kya Bat thaba klek di jingpen kre itnat na ga benta ga Christmas hashilong Ki kubor ki babnya Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ulong bakanong rim lam lenti bahakmat eg India hakikam bari gade ka bahakamyat jongkari haka jinga kren baka Financial Times ka bana UK Modi ulong bagani ka sinjam kala ailat ke India ban yadan benta bat kiri ba pher hakarukam ban buram ye ka bet ka biang ban pediang ye ka jirwat jongka contemporary geopolitics ul aijing mut hakabe ade baka san perthai bari bakan long ka balong kam bat ka bai hunlang dabaro Kasorkar pedeng kala pentip balamang palat iwe point khat khandai lak klur tingka na kabanta ki project hapo ka PM Awas Yojana Urban PMAYU hak leng ka ribat nakani la ban pendep ya nyopu pralak teli ki yeng haba jubab ya ka jikali haluk sabha menteri ketenat Housing and Urban Affairs ka Sorkar pedeng Hardip Singh Puri ulong baka Sorkar pedeng kala penbiang ya ka jingkershan syaki jilla na kabanta ban shnai ki yeng na banta baro kilong yeng ki brai hok ban yo jingmentoy haki jaka sor bakan top ya ki tu ki basa haki islam katkum ka jingterwa project kabla IT damaki Ulang ba iwe point not khandai klur teli kilong yeng la deb banchna hapo ka PMAYU katkum ka sautrik no pra 8000 apulai menteri la benrap ba kini ki lais nam la deb ka jing kershan pisa ka ba prapusan hajar hundrew klur tingka la deb mang kum ka jing kershan na ka sarkar pedeng syaki jela but union territory hapo ka ri Menteri rangba ka jala konrat ki sangma hene ka sngi lapen bena ba ka Meghalaya kala kenjo yo maumer uba saulak new pwe hajar sanspa sapusaw new pu r point la new na kashispa ha ka liang ka functional household tap connection FHTC ne kilat penyeso lingba ki kor ka balong kham halor ban ya ka ri new pu r point iwe na kashispa Menteri rangba ula ai khuble ka kenhon jal jivan mission Meghalaya bat kentu ban yai beteng ha ka ban 3 minute khnang man penti kna ba ka Meghalaya ka kenjo e ka thong ka ba shispa na ka shispa haba phai sha ka FHTC ha ka wai pat ka liang menteri ka tanat PHE Marcus Marak ula pen pawru ka jingkmen bat ong ba ka tanat ka kermen scam bat kan persyang ban pendap no shen ya ka jingpenya so kor ka ban kot sha ka sanlak
Because apart from giving the connections, we have challenges of water source itself, and hence we are working with all the concerned departments.
JJM, we have crossed national average today. The national average is 72.1%, whereas we have achieved 72.37% today. 5 lakh target was set by us, set by me last review meeting to achieve by December 2025. 23-25 before Christmas, but still the connections are going on. We may achieve also because we have reached 4,71,544.
Menteri ketenat ka kot ka khia ka sarkar jala ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo henne ka sngi ka kubur bakidon katu ka ni ki jing bombyang ha ka bayade baka tender bantung yi ki kali kit nongpang 108 ka Dr. Lingdo ka laong bayakani ka kam lakmi da ka tanat an ha ka jokapor kadang tuwa jingmut no menteri rangba ka jala kat kum ka jing thu jong ka katanat yamanta kala ple biang ye ka jing mut hakabe de ba jing khot biang ya ka tender EOI ka hakoi pat kalyang namar ka jing nang kiu ka jing don ki ba shakta ha ka khlam covid ha pokari ka menteri kala ong ba kam da don jing ma than e yamanta kala ong ru ba kala don ka jing yalang ka bla khot do menteri ka tanat ka kot ka khia ka sarkar pedeng ban binrap ba ka jala ka bet ka biang ha kalyang ki jing thia ICU oxygen bat kam khmilanti ba kan don kanu kanu ka jing e
particularly from my understanding is symptomatic especially for people with low immunity and people whose health is not keeping well. Therefore, as a precaution, it would be advised that anyone who doesn't have or who is not in good health should take self-imposed precautions. When you tender the MRI 108 services, we have to ensure that it is state-of-the-art services. And if there have been certain components of that tender that were not in order, and if so advised by the law department, we're taking necessary precautions. And even if we have to re-tender this, there's absolutely no harm in that.
Sasisian kaladi biang kata kapor jong snem ha ka bangin yo ban rakhe kala kemen Christmas satang katuk an yasngi kijing ipin itnat na kabenta ka Christmas kila long ki bala kre na kabenta bandi ya ki mar jong ki patbat ba kijing pin kre ela dia na kabenta ka ni ayom le kemen ki klur Christmas ki bathaba lawa ya ki ha ki dukan bar ki jaka patba jong ka khandai lat ne police bazar bat yodu bala sakhiru ki patba ki ba yamare sharum shaneng ban thiet ban pet na kabenta ka Christmas Menteri ketanat ka menjungok kai perthai uba polling do ulong ba ketanat ka krishan jingerap ha ka bayade ba ka jing pen boarding ba ka jing pen kre itnat ha shilong batura ulong ru ba ha ki snem baladep ki don ki kun hon shimet ki bedan benta henry menta usnem de ka sarkar jala ka blawan shakmat ban pen I ka jing pedang sngobha jong ka shilong ya ka Christmas
in the previous years we have had private parties being involved. But this year, the state government has come forward in a big way to showcase Shillong's welcome of Christmas. And we also are expecting that this will also add to our attraction as a tourist hub. And more particularly, several families are visiting the capital city.
Daga jing tmu ban kan joy ka thong ha ka bayade bat ki scheme ba pher halor ka bha ka miat jaga sarkar pedeng ka urban campaign jong ka vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra kala long hatura ha ka ni ka sngi ki dong yeshim banta kile shimru ye ka jing bam smai halor ka vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra hapo ka ni ka jing alam ka kali kerpang IEC van kala poi hatura ban pen sapryang jing tip sheki patba halor ki sinjam pen roi ba pher bala shim daga sarkar India na ka banta ka jala
Even after decades of independence, Meghalaya's poor could only dream of
The journey is called Viksit Sankalp Yatra for everybody, for the developed nation. Now in this van you would see a lot of films being displayed, a lot of Prime Minister schemes that are available that you can avail. We will have in all the districts of Garo Hills. Our motive is to just reach all the people and make sure that every citizens of this district gets all the availabilities and all the rights that they have properly to them. It is because it is for the people and for the nation, and so that we would be developed.
Haringkat ka jingya snok tilang berkari India barok kawai ka BJP Meghalaya kala penlong ya ka jingya ki kum ka dak ban persha ya ka jing sha kan tho jong Vice President kari Ujagdeep Dhankar ubadeiru ex officio chairman jong ka Rajya Sabha hadian bala sakhi wei MP kaliang persha ubala pen board ya u hapo phalau parliament hagasngi ka baar unayalam ka BJP Meghalaya uba M Kharkrang ula ajing kren hakate ka jingya ki ka bala penlong da ka BJP Meghalaya ha ka office trekam jong ka Shillong Kajing sya kan tho jong Vice President kalapan ki ya ka BJP namaru chairman ka Rajya Sabha daladi hi ula Kenya ka te kajing sya le jong kaliang persha kum kajing penja buram yu kum unong rep bar ka kerdan kum UJAT ka BJP kalapan ramjur ru ya ka te kajing le ubanerji
in a constitutional chair which is the Vice President of India It's not a person, but is a chair that we have to respect. He is holding a constitutional post. Now, how can you make a mockery and an insult to the Vice President is an insult to the constitution of our country that we abide by.
Hakabayade bagajing penkrea na kabanta ke election MP but MDC hakajala ka Seng National People Party jong ka Ribhoi district kilapan long ya kajing jit nong mikmat batmai hakajialang kabla long hinin ka singi ha umsning unong yalam bapau khmat jong ka NPP bakentup ikakong amprin lingdo ibadeiru ikertong na kabanta ka Shuki MP baruba Hamlet Doling ubade state working president jong ka NPP kilaidon lang hakani ka jingalang ban pej perman na kabanta ka jingjit nong mikmat batmai na kabanta ki block baper jong ka Ribhoi district hakani ka jingalang UMLA jong ka Jirang uba Sosinas Sotun Rashimti kum u block president na kabanta ka Jirang constituency yau Jason Maulong la shathung kum u president jong ka block umsning udaman bat lamare ula sha jiet kum u president jong ka block umroi u shampang lingdo ula shathung kum u block president jong ka Mauhati bat yau Henry Nongrum la shathung kum u block president jong ka Nongpo
kini ki akut ki bishop ki paya jog dari the time ki jog bi ki log ni smart ki sing ki log ni tip ki bana but ngilala bangin tray shibun ki kam
UMLA jong ka mau kerwat uba Renington El Tongkar hinin kesngi ulalik khmi benya ya ka jingkieng rilang badang te ha ka snong sokma ka bapnya soalang ya ka sokma bat ka thain diwa jaran ha Southwest Khasi Hills district ka jingte ya ka jingkieng bat ka jingshnai ka surok sokma lamang tingka da ka World Bank kumba South Point Sanpho Crore tingka ka jingkieng rilang bat ka surok sokma diwa ka long ka badan nam tam ha ka ba ka penyesno alang ya ka thain shiliang rilang berkatan diwa jaran namar haduk mentah ki patba jo katan shiliang rilang ki hab banyak lingba ka snong jashiar ban poi katan jongki
I metabak jitri ka yaj shakmat dan ringi so si kendiat ya ka ba sim ngemlap syuk bandon ki batri hang ne ki ban beteng wat lai lala un pendep ya kene ka yung no abutment away dari rang kam mentei so we abutment ngi kibelti by conductor in yo ban resume biang ki jitri wat lang sutu ba markadon ka jitri ka surokro te kalak banlong ba wat la kimdon hang ne de kidang tri ka tai ka we kaliang khnang ban pensuk haga kit haga ba ki won kit kitiar dari kila pendep sya ka tai surok har ban poi hang ne jan abutment khnang ban suk ban kit mau ki siap ikbelti ba kata kan dep ka por bo biang nomor ba mentangi don hakas ayom trekam te ikbelti bi conductor in lestat kanwala
Kasenjuk kirang bashnong jaga Ribhoi district lapenlong ya ka program ais ngobha shuwa ka Christmas da ka bano senyang de ki blanket shekilong ying baduna ka yok ka kot bade ki brio ki blakam he karta ha ki lightly ki shnong deputy commissioner jaga Ribhoi district Arpit Upadaya ulashim benta ha ka program ula samru ki blanket shekilong ying ki baduk President juga senjuk UBB Makdo Secretary jongka Nongpo Town uba Renat Kharkamni berkiwe ki nomi khmat jong kini ka than kilaidan bentalang ha kini ka program
Dari kampalang nadu report margata kini kasi kebansa jikan mau haga history jong kasenjuk kirang bak snong Ribhoi na bangiyo ban yale kemen lang bat pi ya kini ka Christmas bangin rakhe ban pundan burong ya kini ka Christmas lengba kini ka jing ai Christmas kabret bejongi blay ul ai so bhai ni ukun ujogu Jesu Christ ban wan seperti ngiru ngisno ban yale kemen lang bat pi hagani ka singol jonggani ka dong Ribhoi
dapat ngin pej ke jinglong jingman ka sun meneng hashlong ka jing shit ka long khat pra 0.1 degree celsius ba ka jing kreat ka long hinyo 0.0 degree celsius ka jing sngam ka haw ka long san punyo na ka shis apartment step but san pukun dai na ka shis pa janmit ka sun meneng kan rang hanong ba shlong ba de ki jaka ba marjan Sean poi shaka bakut jaga tu khubor ngin pej biang sa shisiani ki mat ba kong san Kanong rim lam lenti bahakmat ia ke India hakikam bari gadai ke pahakam yat jengkari ong Narendra Modi. Palat iway point kat kendai lak klur tingka penting besar kat pedeng balamang hapo ke PM Awas Yojana ya ke projek penresor. Kenjo anyo po ara ke sispa ke Jal Jeevan Mission hash Meghalaya. Uknyang mai ka COVID dan jing mai ke jala ong kementeri ke tenak kokal ke kia. Bat haba klek ijing pen krea itinat na benta ka Christmas haslong. Ti parlok de kitu ki khubor ngila poish ka bakut jang thup khubor menta ka janmet hadu bangi dei shambyang bat phila shai kasngi kublei pi baro.